What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am pumped because I finally get to do some car maintenance on this Xterra that I've been wanting to do for a very long time. Today I finally get to get rid of those pesky water spots that have been plaguing my windows for years. Today I'm going to be cleaning the glass with CarPro Ceriglass, which is a glass polish. After I get finished with that, I'm going to be using CarPro Eraser to make sure I get rid of any of the oils or residues, and then followed by a glass coating, which is CarPro Flyby30. All right, let's not waste any time. Let's get to it. Though hard to pick up on camera, seen here are staining and water spots left on the glass from years of sitting outside and lack of protection. First, put a decent amount of product on your pad of choice. Once you have the product on there, make sure that you work it into the fibers or your pad. Additionally, add a few more drops of the product. Make sure to apply it evenly in the area that you will be working and start to polish.
All right, here's a little 50-50. That's before. See all the water spots there? And then this is after with Ceriglass. Nice and smooth. And there's a transition line right there. All right, moving on.
Now, CarPro Eraser is used to clean any remaining residue or polish in order to prep the window for the glass coating. Add a few drops of the coating down the center of the suede applicator cloth, applying the product to the glass in a crosshatch pattern. Allow at least 1 minute for the product to dry. This will be also dependent on ambient temperature, and then wipe off.
All right, now to the naked eye, you can't see it, but make sure you put a light on it because this is what it looks like when it starts to dry, and that's when you want to start to wipe off.
All Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Just a few things that I learned by using this product. If you have the opportunity, unlike what I did, I just washed my vehicle and then had some time free up, so I went ahead and jumped on doing these windows because it's something that I've wanted to do for a while. But if you have the opportunity, I would definitely do a little more in as far as the decontamination process. And what I mean by that is either clay barring, or using some kind of chemical decontamination such as Iron X, or if you have some kind of mineral deposit remover, that would probably help you a lot more whenever you get ready to use the Ceriglass polish. Another thing that I noticed is residue control within the pad. Definitely make sure you're cleaning your pad as much as possible. And like I said, if you do proper decontamination of your glass beforehand, maybe it won't be as severe as what I did. But I didn't take anything off beforehand. I just went straight into polishing. Also, pertaining to the Flyby30 application, it went on very, very easily when taking off the Flyby30. It's very, very tacky, which was kind of annoying. It did level very well, but it was a little bit harder to take off. One thing I will say about that, definitely make sure you have proper lighting. I didn't at first, and I thought that it would be more evident, but then I went and got my flashlight and was able to do a better job. And that's something that I'd like to hear from you guys. If you've ever used a glass coating before, how easy was it to apply and take off? I still have 2 more vehicles within my household to do, so if there is a better product out there for application and ease to take off, I would definitely like to try that in the future, and I could make another video about that as well. All right, I'll go ahead and leave you with some before and after shots. I'll just say that I think I got to about 80% correction of the water spots, which is perfectly fine with me. This vehicle sits out most of the time anyways, so I didn't care about 100% correction, but I did definitely want it better than what it was, and I'm very happy with the results. If you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button, share it with your friends if you think that it can be useful. If you haven't already done so, consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time. And there's a vehicle.